What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel WebHustleTv. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And like you've seen in the title, I'm going to show you how you can make 1,000 naira per sign up. Now let me explain what I mean by per sign up. You're going to create an account on the platform, get your referral link and send the links to your friends. Once your friends click on the link and sign up to the platform, you and your friend are going to get paid 1,000 naira. Yeah, I'm going to show you proof right now. And take note, your friend doesn't have to buy anything, your friend doesn't have to purchase any products. Normal affiliate marketing, your friend has to purchase a product. But your friend, in this one, your friend doesn't have to purchase any product, just for him or her to sign up and verify his or her identity. The person has to verify his or her identity for you to get the money. Yes, I'm going to show you. It works on mobile phone, and I'm going to show you right now on how to do it step by step. And if it's your first time, like I said, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and like this video. For example, let's assume you invite 5 friends a day. That's 5,000 a day. Is like a passive income for you. So let's head over to my mobile phone screen, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. Let's go.
Yeah, now that we're on my phone screen, now with the interface you are seeing right here, you should already know the app I'm going to talk about. If you've watched my video on dollar card, or if you're familiar with the app, you should already know the app I'm talking about. Yeah, the app I'm talking about right here is cheaper cash. This one right here. Let me circle it so you're gonna see it. This one right here, cheaper cash. Yeah, cheaper cash is the app we're gonna be using to earn 1,000 naira per day and 1,000 naira per day. Let me show you as I'm gonna circle. It says invite your friends and we'll send you both 1,000 naira when your friends verify the account and send 1,000 naira to another cheaper cash account. Invite your friends in the UK, blah blah blah. Now, what it's trying to tell us is that invite your friends and we'll send you both 1,000 naira. That means when you invite your friends, first of all, they have to verify their account with their national identity card and BVN, and they have to send at least 1,000 naira to any other cheaper cash account. Now, let me explain. Once your friend registers, he's going to send 1,000 naira. Now, you might have 1,000 naira in your cheaper cash account. Just send the 1,000 naira to your friend and let your friend send it back to you. So once your friend send it back to you, you both be crediting 1,000 naira. Like cheaper cash doesn't want like spam creation. They want to be you're going to use the account, so they want you to send at least 1,000 naira so you'll be able to use the account. So once your friend send and receive send 1,000 naira, you both are going to get 1,000 naira. You can read it right here. Now, how do you invite your friend? You're going to go to view referral, invite a friend, then send the link to your friend. You're going to send the link to your friend. Now, mind you, so that you will get the 1,000 naira to send to your friend, make sure you use my link in the description box below. Use my link in the description box below, so you are going to get 1,000 naira. Make sure you use the link in the description box below, so you're going to get 1,000 naira. So the 1,000 naira you get from using my link, you can send it to your friends and get 1,000 naira back. So you'll be having 2,000 naira like that. So if you want me to send 1,000 naira to you after you already start using my link, you can join my Telegram group in the description below and we can talk better. You understand? Now, like I said, let me show you. Now, if you can see right here, let me circle it for you guys to see. Let me circle it. This one right here. Now, I invited someone yesterday, and as you can see, it says Kabiru Akintunde joined Cheaper Cash from your referral link. Verify that account and send money on Cheaper Cash. This is your referral bonus. I got 1,000 naira from referring Kabiru Akintunde, which is one of my friend. Yeah. Once I registered him and he verified his identity and I sent 1,000 naira to his Cheaper Cash. Sent it back to me. So we both got 1,000 naira. And to prove that the 1,000 naira he got, he sent it to me. As you can see right here, it says Kabiru Akintunde paid 1,000 naira to you. Yes, I told him to send it to me so that I can use it to do a video. I'm still going to send the money back. And guess what? This Cheaper Cash is also a great platform because one, you can get a dollar card. Make sure you use the link in the description to register so you can get a virtual dollar card for free. You don't need to pay any money. Yeah, you don't need to pay any money. You're going to get a virtual dollar card for free, and you can invite as many as your friend to register on this platform and earn you, because you both are going to be earning 1,000 naira. Let's see. So if you've gotten value to this video, like I said, don't forget to like this video
subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to drop it in the description box. Sorry, in the comment section below. Don't mind me. Don't forget to drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be quick to answer you. And don't forget to join my Telegram group in the link is going to be in the description below. And I'll see you in my next video. Let's go.